The harness ring is used to secure the harness straps at the top of the blower's frame. The plastic rings fit through the loops in the harness to secure the straps. Over time, the rings can fatigue and break. Replacing a harness ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old harness ring from the harness. I'll lift the strap to expose the harness ring. I'll pull the ring away from the frame and then remove it from the strap. And now I can install the new harness ring. I'll place it through the strap, making sure the harness goes underneath the clips on both ends. Then I'll pull the strap back into the frame, like that. And that's how easy it is to replace the harness ring on your backpack blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.